Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to start another question of Olympiad in which you can see m square and n square equals to 49. This is the equation, and you can see we need to find the value of m and n. Here we need to find the value of m and n. Okay, so how to do this question? First of all, we will focus on the left hand side. M square minus n square, we are using here the identity of a square minus b square. A square minus b square identity says a plus b, a minus b. So m square minus n square, can we write this? M square minus n square is m plus n, m minus n is equals to 49. Okay, so we will split this left hand side, m plus n and m minus n equals to 49. Now you can see this m plus n and m minus n. If we compare these two terms, so we have two choice. The m plus n is either greater or equal to m minus n. Now you can see in the left hand side, m plus n, m minus n, we have two terms. So m plus n is greater than m minus n or equal to m minus n. There will be two choice, only two choice, because you can see the sign between m and n is the plus, and here the sign between m and n is negative. So maybe its value m plus n is greater than m minus n, or m plus n is equal to m minus n. So there is only two choice here. M minus n is never greater than m plus n. M plus n is always greater than m minus n, or maybe m plus n is equal to m minus n. Now this is the left hand side concept, so we will write this left hand side as it is. Now focus on the right hand side. So similar as left hand side, we will split this right hand side 49 in two numbers product form. So can we write this 49 1 into 49? This is the first way to write the 49, and another way is, can we write 49 into 1? 49 into 1 is the 49, 1 into 49 is 49, and the next way is 7 into 7 is 49. So which one is the correct? We will put these values here one by one. So you can see here first is the m plus n, so it means your 1 is m plus n, and m minus n is the 49. This is your m plus n and this is your 49. So you can see 1, m plus n is here and m minus n is here. So m minus n is the 49. So 49 is greater than 1. So this way is not a correct way. So we will cancel out. Now the next is the m plus n. M plus n, first m plus n turn. So it is a 49. 49 is, we will write here. And here is the m minus n is the 1. So 49 is greater than 1. Yes, it is greater than 1. So it is the correct way. Now second one is the 7 into 7. 7 into 7 is m plus n is 7 and m minus n is 7. So 7 is equal to 7. So you can see the relation is the equal also. So this way is also correct. Okay. So we are choosing these two way. So it means for this question we have two cases, because we have two ways. So the possibility of two cases, 1 and 2. So the first case is m plus n, m minus n. This is the first case, is equals to 49 into 1. And the second case is m plus n, m minus n is equal to 7 into 7. This is your second case. So if you have a two case, so we will find the two values of m and n. So first case, m plus n is equals to 49, and this m minus n is equal to 1. Similar, in second case, m plus n is equals to 7 and m minus n is equals to 7, because both the values are 7 and 7. They are equal. So this is the equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So first of all, we will solve these two equation 1 and 2. So we are using the elimination method. So you can see these n is subtracted. Okay. So we have if you add these two equations, so n plus n minus n is cancel out, m plus m is 2m, 49 plus 1 is 50, so the m value is 50 by 2, which is equals to 25. Now see, the first equation is m plus n equals to 49 and second equation is m minus n equals to 1. We will put this m values any equation. So we are choosing the equation number 2 from equation 2. So equation number 2 is m minus n equals to 1. So just put the value of m here. So you'll get the value of n minus n. This is minus n, it is 1, and this 25 goes to right hand side. So it will be a minus 24. Now you can see this minus and minus cancel out. So the n value is 24. Okay, and m value is 25. So these are the two values for case 1. Now the second case, this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. Again we are adding these two equations. So plus n minus n is cancel out, and m is the 2m, and 7 is the 14. Okay, so m equals to 14 by 2, which is 7. So m value is 7. Now put the value of m in any equation, third and fourth. So from third equation, we are choosing the third equation, m plus n equals to 7. M value is 7. So n is 7 minus 7 is equals to, which is 0. So for second case, m value is 7 and n value is 0. These are the two values for the second case, and for first case 25 and 24. I hope you have understood this question, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for upcoming notification. Thank you and thanks for watching.